Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Odyssey battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a wire brush for cleaning terminals, and a new battery. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from any battery acid or debris during the process. Taking these initial steps will make the replacement smooth and safe for everyone involved. Now let's disconnect the old battery. You'll find the battery under the hood, usually on the driver's side. Using your 10mm wrench, always disconnect the negative terminal first. This is a crucial safety step to prevent electrical shorts. Carefully remove the negative cable and set it aside, ensuring it doesn't touch any metal parts. Then, disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, remove the battery hold-down clamp, which typically involves loosening 1 or 2 bolts, to free the old battery from its tray. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps using a wire brush to remove any corrosion. This ensures a good electrical connection. Carefully place the new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely and doesn't wobble. Reinstall the battery hold-down clamp, tightening it firmly to prevent any movement. Then, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, ensuring both are snug. For our final steps, let's double-check everything. Ensure all connections are tight, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the terminals. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals. This helps prevent future corrosion and ensures a longer lifespan. Now, start the engine to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. You might need to reset your vehicle's clock, radio presets, or power windows after the battery replacement. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.